Hello everyone, welcome to my channel GSP Studies. Get ready for the dictation. 5 seconds. Start. I am thankful to you for having given me this opportunity long last to say a few words on the budget. Stop. Already, much has been said, and I think the finance minister has come in for his share of congratulations as well as criticisms. Stop. So, there is not very much to say, but I should like to say a few words. Stop. Para. The increased development expenditure and the absence of any new taxation has earned for the budget a good response even from the businessmen. Stop. I especially welcome the relief given to the middle classes by raising the exemption limit of income tax in respect of personal income. Stop. No doubt, this is some relief to the middle classes. Stop. But I would request the finance minister, if he could, to raise this exemption limit from rupees 4,000 to rupees 6,000, as that would give substantial relief to the middle classes. Stop. Para. I am indeed glad that the Taxation Inquiry Commission has been appointed with Dr. John Mathai as the chairman, and I am sure that many of the vexed problems may be solved through this commission. Stop. Para. At the same time, I would request the finance minister to put off the estate duty bill for the present, since this inquiry commission has been appointed and they may go into this question. Stop. For, I feel that it is not an opportune moment to put on more taxes on the people. Stop. Already, as Mr. Gadgil has pointed out, there are so many taxes on the people. Stop. The people are overburdened by taxes and they are just trying to recover their stability. Stop. So, in regard to estate duty, I would ask him to consider about it. Stop. My reason for asking it to be postponed is, as I have said, that the people are still facing economic distress. Stop. And then, our government is not able to offer the amenities which other countries have, where the estate duty exists, such as free compulsory education for children, free medical aid, homes for the poor and the destitute. Stop. Old age pension, etc. Stop. So, my humble suggestion is that this point may be considered by the Taxation Inquiry Commission. Stop. I agree that there is a brighter side of the picture and that instead of continually harping on our poverty, we should also see the bright side. Stop. We are making encouraging progress towards laying the foundations of a welfare state. Stop. এই ভিডিও স্ট্রোক এবং পিডিএফ পেতে আমাদের টেলিগ্রাম গ্রুপে জয়েন করুন। ভিডিওটি ভালো লেগে থাকলে লাইক, শেয়ার অ্যান্ড সাবস্ক্রাইব করতে ভুলবেন না। থ্যাঙ্কস ফর ওয়াচিং।